Hello everyone, welcome back to our English for All YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting lesson planned for you, and that is all about idioms. Idioms are like the secret code of language, and understanding them can take your English to the next level. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. First, let's make sure we understand what idioms are. Idioms are phrases that have a meaning different from the individual words. They are used to express ideas or feelings in a colorful and often figurative way. Let's take a closer look. Idioms consist with some different features, and the very first one is they have a figurative meaning. This means idioms convey a figurative or metaphorical meaning. For example, break a leg does not literally mean breaking a leg. It is a way to wish someone good luck. When it comes into the second feature, idioms have different cultural variations. They can vary across cultures, and some idioms are specific to certain regions or countries. The third feature of the idioms is that they use according to specific context. The same idiom might not work in all situations. Now, let's find out some common idioms. Do you have ever heard this idiom before? This does not mean breaking a leg of someone. We use this idiom to wish someone good luck or success. For an example, we can say our friend, "Before your big presentation, I just wanted to say break a leg." Now, let's make a look at the second idiom, bite the bullet. Normally, we use this idiom to say someone who is going to experience or face a difficult or unpleasant situations with courage. For an example, we can say, "I had to bite the bullet and tell my boss about the mistake I made." Next, we have the idiom cost an arm and leg. We use this to show how something is very expensive. Now, make a look at the example below. It says that new smartphone costs an arm and a leg, but it's worth it. This means though the mobile phone is very expensive, it is worth as it consists everything. Let's explore the fourth idiom now. If you are a sleepy and a lazy person, definitely you can use this idiom every time. The meaning of this idiom is to go to bed or go to sleep. For an example, we can say, "I'm exhausted. I think I will hit the hay early tonight." The last idiom that we are going to talk about is piece of a cake. Normally, we use this idiom to show how something is very easy to do. If you performed well at your exam, you can say your mom that exam was a piece of cake and I finished it in no time. Now, let's see how we can use idioms naturally. First of all, we need to focus on the context. Pay attention to when and where idioms are used. For instance, break a leg is commonly used in the performing arts. The next thing we need to focus on to use idioms naturally is our self-practice. Try to use idioms in sentences to reinforce your learning. Practice with friends or language exchange partners. Okay, now let's move into an interesting part of our lesson. Are you ready for a fun activity? I'll provide different situations and you will have to guess the idiom that fits best. Just write your answers in your book or a paper. I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Let's start. Now, it's time to find out whether you have got the correct answers. In situation 1, your friend might say, "Don't worry, just break a leg tomorrow." The second situation can be challenging for you since it is a new idiom for you. The answer for the situation is why you are under the weather. Normally, if a person is not in a normal condition, we use this idiom to question them. The answer for this third question is a piece of cake. If the presentation is too easy, it is like a piece of cake. And in situation 4, you might encourage your friend by saying, "You can do it, just bite the bullet." Great job everyone! I hope you all have got correct answers, including the second situation sometimes. So now we have come to the end of our lesson. Learning idioms can be a lot of fun and it makes your language skills sound more natural. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to use idioms in your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with more exciting lessons on our YouTube channel. Thank you all for joining today.